Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to get animated wallpaper for iPhone iOS 26. So basically iPhone has launched their latest iOS version iOS 26 for their iPhone and iOS devices. Now if you want to get the animated wallpaper for iOS 26 and set it on your iPhone iOS 26, for this what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And here you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone, and you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that you have to simply go back. Now if you want to get the live animated wallpaper and set it on your iPhone, then there are two options available. The first one is that you have to simply open the App Store here, and here you have to simply search for live wallpapers 4K, and after that you will find many live wallpapers apps where you can get many live wallpapers. But there is another option available that you have to simply search for live wallpapers on TikTok, and after that you will get many videos which includes live wallpapers. So say one of the option is available. So if you want to download it, then you have to simply click on that share button, and after that you have to simply save it as a live photo. And after saving the live photo, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the photos here, and here you can simply see that that option is photo is saved. Now if you want to set it on your iPhone, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to go to wallpaper. So in wallpaper, what you have to do, you have to simply look for add new wallpaper, and here you have to click on live photo, and after that you have to click on the option all, and here you will find the live photos you have recently saved, and you can simply find for that live wallpaper, and after that you can simply save it as your live wallpaper by selecting it. And after that you have to make sure that you have put live wallpaper on your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.